Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change wallpaper in laptop. So the first step, you simply need to click the right mouse cursor, click on show more options. So once you are here, click on personalize. So once you are here you can see an option of background, click on this option. And here you can see option of picture, slide color, slideshow, window spotlight. So here you can see solid color, so you can select any color from here. So let me show you. So here you can see, but if you want a picture, go on to the picture and select any picture that you want. So here you can see, you can add slideshow here as well and windows spotlight as well, so it is up to you. So this is the process how you can change wallpaper in laptop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.